Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking series or another recipe. So this time we're making a winter melon, stuffed winter melon or steamed stuffed winter melon. So we have frown para maiba naman yung lasa. Pero may napanood akong video nito recently na iba yung pagkagawa nila. So ito ay yung ginawa ko dahil inspired to ng aking eggplant. You know, the flower design eggplant or na ginawa ko dati yung stuff or di kaya yung tawag yan, yung radish. So inspired ito doon. So ginawa ko to, I just try to make a twist. So para maiba naman yung maiba naman yung lasa, maiba naman yung style ng pagkaluto. So in-slice ko to siya ng manipis. Dapat manipis lang pala siya, guys. Wag makapal kasi kapag makapal mahirap siya. And then I think mas better na pahaba yung pagka-slice. So para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-fold. So as nakita ko lang din naman. mas maganda yata to. So I'm using carrots here. So carrots and minced pork and then shrimp. So yung mga ginamit ko, and coriander or spring onion, you can put it at optional. So naglagay din ako dito ng ng spring onion. It's just optional para sa fragrant lang yun. So if optional to, guys, kung ayaw nyo, pwede din naman. Pwede nyo can sprinkle it after naman. Pwede naman yun. Tapos i-mix nyo lang siya. Tapos yung sauce niya is soya sauce, sugar and pepper. And then egg. Naglagay ako dito ng 1 egg para maging sticky siya. And then after that, you mix it and then you stuff in your winter melon. So napakadali at napaka-easy itong recipe na to, guys. So yung winter melon, nilagyan ko yan siya ng salt para maging malambot siya, para hindi siya yung mapunit or mag-crack, mag-broken. Kasi yan yung winter melon, parang ma-crunchy, di ba? Pag ma-broken siya or mag-crack yun siya. So lagyan niyo siya ng salt and then para ibabad nyo siya hanggang lumambot. So you soak it until it will soft. Tapos i-stuff nyo siya. So yung ginawa ko is pag ganito. Medyo mahirap siya gawin kasi maliliit nga. So pero carry lang din naman. So napaka-easy lang din naman tong recipe, guys. And then the sauce I will put na lang. So soya sauce lang naman yan dyan, sugar and corn flour. Tapos ibobold nyo lang yan na maging thick, and then steam nyo to siya for 20 minutes. So and that's it. You can have your yummy winter melon or yummy steamed stuffed winter melon, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for the next recipe video, guys.